Hey guys, this is the Delhi Geek Harry, and we just received the package containing Roland UA33 MIDI interface sound card. So we are going to unbox it right now. So just see. And we purchased it from Snapdeal, and they have provided it in a very sturdy and hard packing. As you can see, there's a lot of packaging. We have to cut through all of it to get to the main box. As you can see, it's taking a lot of effort, but it keeps the package safe, so there's no downside to it. I like the bubble wrap. It's the stress killer, as all of us know. So here it is, guys. Let's just open it. It's called tri-capture also. UA33 is tri-capture and UA22 is bi-capture. So guys, as you can see, it comes with Ableton Live 9 Lite driver suite and manuals. It all both supports both Windows and Mac. If you want to download it from the site, you can just go to the official site and download it, and much more stuff. So we are, for a minute we are going to put it aside. Let's check out the other contents of the box. So here is the real product, actual product, and as you can see, it has a very minimalistic and aesthetic look and approach. So let's check other contents in the box. Okay, here is the USB cable for USB interfacing with your computer or PC. Okay guys, let's have a look at the ports and input and output channels for this Roland capture. This first port here is for the XLR input for microphones. Second input is for guitar and instruments. Third, we have here left and right auxiliary inputs for synthesizer and keyboards and such. This here is the USB interface so that you can connect it with your PC or laptop. Now coming to the outputs, one here, this is for headphones with quarter-inch pin or jack. These here are for left and right outputs, auxiliary outputs actually. Now coming back to the controls. These here are the control dials for inputs. This one is for the microphone, this one here is for the guitar or instrument, and this one is for the auxiliary input. These here are the indicating lights telling us about the peak and signal strength. Okay. This here is a button for phantom power when you are using a condenser mic. This is the high Z button for connecting the electric guitar with the tri-capture.
If you want to directly connect your electric guitar into the tri-capture, you can easily switch it on and just plug your guitar into this, and you can play or record whatever you want to do.
So there are three recording modes in Roland tri-capture. First one is for mic or guitar, you can use it. Second option is for all inputs, you can use all the inputs simultaneously on this. And third one is for loopback, and loopback is mainly used for online streamings.
You can record the live streaming with your voice, In the this Roland TriCapture gives you this thing, like you can easily record live streaming as well as your voice, and this thing gives you the mix of that both the voices.
This button here is for muting on and off the output, and this here is for headphones to switch it on or off, and this is the intensity control for output. So let's see what we have on the back. Here, uh, here are two switches. One is for sample rate. You can select from three rates. One starting from 44.1K, for then going up to 48K, and finally the 96K. This switch is for mode. You can live play from first, and by selecting second, you can record the inputs and interface it with your computer.
I think this is a good quality thing.
Now, coming to the conclusion, guys, this is not cheap. Its price is in the range of 9 to 11,000 rupees. But given the quality, build quality, and support, the price is quite justified. You can get it cheap by using coupons or cards. It provides studio quality effects at your home. Well, that's the best thing. So you can go for it with thumbs up. So until next time, Harry out.